Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode I want to talk about this amazing product right here next to me. If you guys can't see already, basically this is the curtain that I reviewed from last time, and I wanted to give you guys an update about the product itself. But before I do that, let me actually show you guys what the curtain looks like now. Alright, so you can see this is basically what it looks like when we fully set up correctly all the way. So it actually covers a lot. You guys can see how far it can go. You guys can use any bar, but you can see my bar is not that amazing. These are actually really old bars. So if you guys want to make it look nicer, you guys can actually change the bar. But you guys can see that it actually covers a lot and actually blocks out the sunlight really nicely outside. In terms of noise reduction, I feel like it works, but it doesn't work that well. Like, I can still hear the car driving by, so that's definitely one thing to kind of consider. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you saw a little preview of the product itself, you guys can see that it actually covers a lot of the surroundings throughout the whole entire window and on. This actually turned out bigger than I expected, which is pretty awesome because I originally thought that I need to buy 2 of these to cover up the whole entire window. But if you guys can see right here, it actually covered up the whole entire window pretty nicely. And then if we really wanted to open up, but all I have to do is that in the morning, once I wake up, just pull it this way and then open this part up, and you guys can actually start letting the sun shine out directly to you guys, which is pretty nice. And in terms of the actual length of the product itself, this actually fits it perfectly where it's not too long and it's not too short. It's perfectly enough to actually cover the whole entire window. Like if you guys remember my previous curtain and whatnot, those actually have multiple curtains, and it's really hard for me to put all of them because the hole on the top of the curtain itself is not big enough because it's so old. Like those curtains are so old that nobody actually uses those anymore, or barely anyone uses it anymore. So I'm actually really glad that I purchased this product to make it a huge upgrade, and also a lot easier to maintain and open the window every single time if you really wanted to. And the one thing that I definitely noticed about this product is the fact that it actually blocks out a lot of like the sunlight when you guys don't want sunlight. So this definitely will actually make my life a lot easier when I'm recording videos in the morning, because sometimes when it's too bright, it makes my video have really bad lighting. But now that I have this, it actually will make it a lot better. And then the last thing is definitely it has a privacy on here. Like once you guys put it on, people outside won't be able to see you guys, and you won't be able to see them unless you guys pull this open. So now that we did like a little feedback and showing you guys the product of what it actually looks like and kind of explain how it's been using it, now let's answer the question of whether or not it's actually still worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I have to say that this is definitely worth it based on everything that I seen on this product and kind of tested on this product. You definitely get your money's worth out of this, especially if you guys buy the correct size. This one is perfectly for me, so depending on your size of your window and how big the frame and everything is, if you guys have the same one as me where you guys actually want to cover a lot, like this much, then this size is definitely worth it for you guys. And if you guys forgot which size I bought, this is the 52 by 63. 52 is the width, and then the length is the 63 length. So it's definitely worth it if you guys need one or want one of these. But then obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the unboxing, testing, and feedback about this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have